Well, good morning. Today is day 4. Today I'm going to get all of the cement work out of the way. Get that done this morning. I'm going to take the extractor fan out. It's going to be moved up to here. Fill that in and make that good. Also, there's a few loose bricks up here. Going to fix those back down. Going to sort that out, and also we're going to patch up these holes down here. Might do some pointing on the back wall as well, but I'm a bit reluctant to start working on that just yet before I've taken all the top off, which is still need to do, but I'll give it another go. If I can't get into that I'm sure I can get to that concrete. I just need a bit more elbow grease. I hope I'm not copywriting anyone else's slogan on websites on YouTube. Right, let's get cracking on. So I thought I'd show you what I'm doing here. So what I'm doing, I'm cutting bits of blocks like this down to a level so they fit into the roof space there. As you can see, there's the angle there. So what I'm doing, I'm measuring the height plus the height to that wooden bar there, a wooden piece of wood, plus take away that 25 centimeters or 10 mils for the mortar joint. And so what I do here, I mark out. This is quite easy to mark, and then I just hack along here a bit until it cracks, and then chip it off to the right size. You can see I put that big mortar block in there, and I've just pointed these blocks around here a bit. I've just set those ones there back in, put those ones in there properly, so I could zoom into that. Yeah, so I set those into I've bedded those back into place there. So all I need to do now is just stick that block where I got there, back into that gap there, and stick another block there. Then I've got to come along here and stick all these half bricks back into place so that they're solid. So let's carry on. Well, I did about an hour's work, well, about an hour and a half's work. I managed to patch up this corner here. Can't say I'm honestly good at this. These are a bit wobbly, but I pushed the grout back in. I'm just going to let it set now. They're going to come back along here to do these. And with some of the spare mortar I've got, I just shoved in a hole. I'll shove a bit more in there later on. But now I think I will go and get some electrical stuff so I can do my electrical first fit, which I worked out last night. So it's been to screw fix, a couple of junction boxes, a few spur. This is for the fan. I'm going to need to stick a it's 13 amps, so I need to stick a 3 amp fuse in there. Got a back box. Obviously I haven't got the plaster wall yet, so it's no good. I bought a new fan. I did have one, but this one's got a timer on it because this one didn't have a timer. Got some 1.5 mil cable. I think I've got some spare stuff as well. Bit of earthing sleeve, a few screws to screw it up there. Plan is we utilise that. Well, it's a bit better. Stick a junction box on the side there. I think I'll fit it in there. Light there. A few spurs going to go on the wall eventually. Bit of light, bit of junction box up there. Light coming off there, and a fan over there somewhere. So that's the plan. So while digging around in my electrics, this is some cable box coming in. You can see it's got red and black. That's the old wiring. The cable looks quite good. I don't know why. But anyway, if you look up here, you can see it used to have a dado rail. Well, I don't know whether it's actually maybe a corniche or something. It's actually got this at the top here. So you have to take this out. It's quite cute, really. You don't really see. Don't really see this in bathrooms these days. And so yeah, that's going to have to go. Okay, so the wirings took a few hours. I bought in the cable for the fan and a light was going to go there. I've just put cable blocks on the end there because I'm put the light back in temporarily. Oh, it's not turned on at the moment. There's where the new light's going to be. I might build a bit of wood up there just to support it. And yeah, there's a new junction box up there. There's the switch, and there's a new junction box up there, and that is that. So it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon now. Today I've did that cement work there, done the first fit of wiring, and been a bit shopping, took some rubbish down to the tip, but I need to do a bit more cement work up here, and I need to do some more work to actually take some more of this stuff off here around the edges here, and hopefully once I've done that I can get the roof and ceiling in tomorrow. That'll be a challenge. What I need to do is to take a bit of this off up here as well. Actually, I've been holding back for now, but I think I definitely need to do it at the top there because I can't get ceiling in with that there. Oops, sorry. Also there's some stuff around here as well which needs to come off at some stage, but I can do that last thing. I can do it just before I as I come around the room with the cladding and stuff like that. I can just do that. What I want to do is to extend the toilet out a little bit away from the wall and plumb it in, obviously, and that will be it. Okay, so what I need to do is to finish off all the stuff on the roof here so I can get ceiling in. Right, let's carry on, and hopefully we can get it cracked. Well, the other day free. Well, this stonework, this bit of masonry seems to have done quite well. Yeah, doesn't seem to be wobbling. I was a bit hesitant that it was going to wobble. I've got to go along here and actually bed these back in as well tomorrow, which is a pain in the arse, and also along here. But some good things today. Got the electrics in, so they're all in. That's all in there ready to go. The light on, obviously, and I've completely cleared all the roof out. So there's a little bit of chipboard, a bit of plasterboard up there needs to go. But I've started putting up some extra strut work here to actually hold the new ceiling, because the old one is down the back there, which is not very good. So hopefully I'm going to get this done. Let's come back to me. So hopefully get the rest of the stud work in first thing tomorrow, get the ceiling up. That'll be a bit of an achievement. I think that's going to be good. I've been thinking about this wall behind me. I'm having lots of trouble with this stuff at top here. I can't seem to shift it. It feels like it's concrete. I've got some concrete blocks at the back around the corner there. I really think those are those blocks which are left over, with the way they came from. Also, let me just take you back. Also, other interesting things. I found a piece of wood stuck in the wall. Now, this is it's strange. Don't know whether to take it out or leave it there, really. So yes, so that's a decision I need to make tomorrow. I'm not so sure. I'm thinking I may just leave that wall. I might just clear that wall off now, exactly as it is. Try to clear off some of that plaster just clear off the pink plaster off there, so that went back to the concrete, and just build a strip wall against that wall and forget about it. I think I'm just gonna, what's the most important moment is to make sure this wall here is quite sound, obviously with the brickwork at the top, and carry on patching those holes up just there, which I want to do. Any other news? That's about it. Right, see you tomorrow. Bye.